BLTs. BLTs are on the menu at the Young's house, and I am so excited to make these. Who loves a BLT? If you love a BLT, like Gina Young, let me know. I am all over it. There's so many different things you can put on your BLT. Avocado, cheese, eggs, there's all kinds of things. So when I make BLTs, everybody gets excited because I pile on the bacon. Here's what you're going to need for today's recipe. We're doing some lettuce. I have some beautiful romaine lettuce here and a gorgeous fresh tomato. Make sure you're washing your vegetables off, okay? Real good. And I have some wheat bread that we're using. Some butter in my pan. I got some oil. We're going to add eggs to our BLTs today. And I have some gorgeous bacon. I'm going to pepper that bacon to make it taste good. And I have just a couple seasonings. We're going to salt and pepper our tomato, okay, and some parsley flakes. Just make everything look nice. I hope y'all are having a great day today. And if you're not, hopefully I can brighten up your day. Happy Wednesday. So today is hump day. Does anybody have any special plans for the weekend? Let me hear what your weather's like. I want to hear from everybody. First thing we're going to do, let's get started on our bacon. I love bacon, y'all. I have actually been known to put a little bit of syrup on my BLT. Delicious. Or you could turn around if you wanted to and make some brown sugar bacon where you sprinkle a little bit of brown sugar on your bacon, cook it in the oven and get it nice and crispy. Ooh, and that bacon gives like a salty, sweet taste that I absolutely love. And like I said, if you don't want to do that, put a little bit of syrup on your bacon. Oh my goodness, so good. When I cook my bacon, like honestly, 95% of the time, I'm putting my bacon in the oven, y'all. Seriously, because I don't want the popping of the oil all over my stove, getting popped by the oil and just having to stand over the stove and watch it. When I put it in the oven, it's like easy peasy, right? I put it in that middle rack on 350. It cooks up perfect every time. Sometimes I don't even have to flip the bacon over. Yeah, once I start smelling it, then I'll start taking a peek in at it, and it always cooks up great. Sometimes I cook the bacon on the stove, it be burnt. I'm not burnt, but you get the gist of what I'm saying. It just don't cook up like it does in the oven. When I cook my bacon, I'm putting some pepper on there. It really just amps, for me, it really just amps up the flavor and makes it taste that much better. So let's get this in the oven, 350 degrees, and then we're going to start slicing all of this. From everybody, I want to know what's your ideal BLT or even breakfast sandwich. What are those favorite ingredients that you always have to have on yours? What's a must for your BLT or bacon sandwich? And you know what else I'm going to put on there? This is like a must-have on there. Mayonnaise. Absolutely. So this romaine lettuce has been washed off. I don't want the green part. The green part is a little, when I say green, the darker green. It's a little too soft for me. I want this hard, crispy part. So we're just gonna set that there. I'm gonna get the most beautiful pieces here. And then I'm gonna start slicing my tomato. I have actually been known to put a nice, fresh, sweet Vidalia onion on my BLT. It is so good if you all have never tried that. Bacon is smelling amazing already. I'm gonna cut some beautiful fresh tomato. I love when it's summertime and you have tomatoes. They just taste the best because winter and fall, they're not in season and they don't taste like nothing. These ones have great flavor. And how you can amp up the flavor, it's always do like I do. Salt and pepper the tomato no matter what you're using it on. It makes it taste so much better. Let's go ahead and salt and pepper these gorgeous tomatoes. Don't cut them too thick, y'all. I don't want, like y'all making my sandwich, I don't want a thick tomato. I want it to be perfect. There you go. Not too thick, but not too thin. That's the pepper. A little tiny bit of salt, okay? Oh, yeah. Now this is going to taste good. You bet it is. Let's prepare our eggs so we can get ready to cook them. I'm probably going to crack about 5 eggs because I'm actually doing a couple sandwiches, but you guys will get to see me do one. Pan, I have a little bit of cooking oil so my egg doesn't stick, and then I'm going to put a tablespoon of sweet cream butter in there. I'm going to give our eggs a nice whisk. We're not going to put any heavy cream, milk, or water in here, just the eggs. We're going to get it in this pan on like a little over low heat. It's 96 degrees right now. It is so, when you step foot outside, it is so stinking hot and I love it. Yo, I am loving the hot weather. I am. I go out there, but I'm being careful. I'm wearing sunscreen. I'm doing all the things. You know, I'm making sure I don't stay out there too long. But my skin is loving the sun. I love how my skin feels, how it looks, and how moisturized it is when I'm in the sun. I know that might sound a little interesting, but my skin looks and feels so much better when I get sun on it, when I get that vitamin D, you know. So look how gorgeous this bacon is. Oh my goodness. Every once in a while I go in and just kind of move it a little bit. Make sure it's not sticking. One of the worst things that can happen is your bacon sticks to the pan and then you tear it all up. Look at that. It smells so good. BLT will definitely be going on toast. I don't always put my BLT on toast, but we're doing it today and I'm going to butter the toast. Listen, y'all, I always like to tell everybody, when you are making toast, don't just take softened butter or cold butter and spread it onto your toast, because it's always going to make the bread mushy. If you want toast to taste amazing, you're going to melt the butter first and then spread it onto your hot toast. Turns out great every time. That's the way toast should be made. Go ahead and put us some butter in the microwave for our toast. And it's almost done. The whole house smells absolutely amazing. So I'm not doing a scrambled egg. I'm not doing a fried egg. What I'm doing is called a folded egg. It's just really simple. It's kind of like an omelet, but it's not an omelet. There's no filling in it, but you just fold over the egg. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and salt and pepper it lightly. Not too much, right? Just a little bit. Gorgeous. And I'm going to put some parsley flakes, because parsley flakes makes everything gorgeous. It does. Look at this. So we have somewhat of a circle, just as if we were making an omelet. We're going to let this egg cook up, and once it cooks up and I feel like I can fold this over, I'm going to fold it over and we'll have a folded egg. Go ahead and get that toast right down. Now, honestly, if you wanted to see how the egg is moving together, but I'm still waiting on that middle to get nice and cooked before we fold it. If you wanted to, and you don't mind cheese being on your BLT, go ahead and put just some cheese right in the middle and then fold it. Look at this bacon. Gorgeous, brown, crispy. Smells so good. Who's excited? Is your stomach rumbling? Is your mouth watering? If so, I don't blame you. Let me show you how I fold it. So we're going to do a number like that, okay? We're going to do another number like this. And then we're going to fold in the sides basically just to make like a square looking egg. It works. Take a look at the egg. I really wanted to show you, and I flipped it over. My husband loves when I make eggs like this. And it's so simple. Butter that toast, make it taste good. Oh yeah. Melted butter every time. Ooh, who's excited? I'm all excited. Mayonnaise, please. We are putting some on. I wish that I had Miracle Whip. This is a savory mayonnaise, but I'm okay with that because I do like savory mayonnaise. But a BLT, baby, I love Miracle Whip on it. There we go. That's going to be the top piece. And I'm only, you know, putting the mayo on the top piece. Even though we buttered it, yes. Right? More flavor. Look how beautiful. Romaine lettuce is so good. It's so refreshing. It gives you that nice crunch. It's just everything you're looking for when you think of lettuce, and I am not kidding. Perfect. Here's what we're going to do. Let's put the egg down first. Nice folded egg. Look how beautiful that is. Yum. Tomato in the middle, because if you put the tomato on top, it's going to make this soggy. So let's put 2 nice salt and pepper pieces of tomato. I could eat it like that, and you could too. I know you could, baby. It's good. I had to check. Pile of one. I gotta make more. At Gina's. Who's coming over? You're invited. I'll leave the door open. Let's top it just like this. Take a bite.